Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I'm going to show here about help you how you started to show grid in Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about to help you in this video. It's about to be satisfied with a certain thing that is still to be about that. So what you're gonna do is about for this video, it's gonna be actually to be helping you in a lot of ways. So really, as you can see, it's gonna be really about to give you here a certain things that is really about to be satisfied with the moment that we want actually from the start to set the show up grid. So as you can see, we can have here to click on the file and then click on view and then shows a pixel grid. Also you can actually click here on the frame and then scroll down. Now click on the layout grid. As you can see the grid has been added through that. So you can actually start to do this grid as you can see, and that's all about to help you through this video. And thank you for watching this video and good luck.